So I'm very excited today because I'm riding with my friend Henry and I think his homie Gilbert, I think his name was. If that's not your name, bro, I apologize. But my man Hen, he got a bike, so we gonna ride. We both got SSRs too. I don't know how much film I'm gonna get today because, again, I don't have a, first off, I don't have a real tripod. This tripod is like $20. I don't have a real tripod to set up anywhere. I don't have a GoPro or any, I saw a harness vest that you can like put your phone right here. I don't know how secure it is, but I don't have any of those things. So I don't know how much film I'm actually gonna get today. Maybe I'll record some jumps or something like that. If one of these guys wanna do some crazy stuff with a cam, we can definitely do that. I'm gonna put some more gas in my dirt bike right now. Again, I don't know how y'all decide, how much gas to put in, how empty y'all are. I don't know. I don't even know how many miles it goes to the gallon type stuff. I don't know. I do wanna get the Yamaha emptied out this weekend as well, but I guess I need a siphon hose to do that. But anyways, that's gonna be another video. Today is just gonna be about today's ride. Again, no pockets, so bring your fanny pack, you know what I'm saying? Water bottle, gloves, whatever you wanna put in there. Well, obviously you're gonna have your gloves on, but water bottle, keys, chapstick personally. I don't know what else you put in there really, but let's do this ride. All right, so we back home. Wow, that was fun. Told you I didn't get much film of myself riding, but I recorded Henry and Gilbert. Bro, it's hot though. Maybe because I had the ski on, I don't know. Took us to this trail. It was like a circuit, low key. It was a lot of hills. That was the first time I ever went up hills like that. Well, up and down big hills like that. That was fun. Stood up on my bike a little bit. Not like 2 feet on where my seat at, but when you get up on it like this. Took a couple spills. My first spill was my fault. It wasn't my fault, it was my skills fault. Because I was trying to turn right, but it was trying to, a low turn, how they do on the motorcycles. And I was practicing before, I was doing 8s in this dirt lot out there around this tree. And I was like, oh, I'm pretty good. But then we hit a corner and I tried to hit a quick one. Fell. Actually, my first one was to the left. I was trying to turn this and I just gave out. My next one, because I was in gravel. There was a car coming. We was going from dirt lot to dirt lot, but there's a street in between, right? So there's a little bit of gravel, so I slow down. And once the car goes by, I try to turn a little bit and I wipe out. I wipe out this way because my throttle, it went because it kept on going because it fell on this side. So when I fell, this thing came off and I was leaking gas on the floor a little bit. I don't know if that's good, bad, what it's supposed to do. On my friend Henry's bike, he doesn't have this part. He has something that goes here and it tops off here. So I don't know if I should invest in one of those so that doesn't happen. Anyways, on my left side crash, this was like up here. I don't know if the whole thing twisted, but I just punched it down and it's back somewhat even. We realized, I say we, but it was really Gilbert, that this is loose. Some part of this is loose. Right down here, you see it. This mechanism right there for the kickstart is loose. The only reason why we found that out is because I was stopping and I didn't know I had to shift down because then my bike kept turning off on me. And everybody was looking at me like, bro, obviously I'm the newest rider out there, and everybody was looking at me like, bro, what happened? I might as well. I didn't even order a new piece. I said I would, but with the gloves, you don't even feel it. And bro said, maybe I need a new battery. Again, I told y'all I got this bike from some dude. I don't know how he serviced it. I don't know how he maintained it. But maybe it's just time for a new battery because it wouldn't give every time. But that was a long ride. We was out there for like an hour, maybe a little bit more. No damage to the bike for real. I told you like this was a little crooked. I think this is where it used to be, or where it's supposed to be. I don't know. This is a little crooked. Other than that, the throttle hit the ground. Probably got some dirt in there. Nothing too crazy. He said I might need a carb clean. I guess everything needs a carb clean because, again, we haven't forgot about this. Still got to work on that. Said I might need a carb clean because when I hit the ground, the dirt went in there or something like that. But who knows, you know? I don't. Anyways, that was fun. I might have to get a new battery sometime soon. In the next video, we're going to empty out the gas out of here because apparently it's old. Because I do want to take this on a ride, but who knows? Because some of these tires look bald. I'm not gonna lie to you. Might need new tires too. And this one has a light, so I can take it at night if I. Is that my fault? What is that? What is this? Where's that supposed to go? I have no clue what I'm looking at. I thought it was the oil. I thought it was gonna be, you know, the thing I tightened and I didn't really tighten, but I'm pretty sure this is what's going somewhere. And it's not.